Hey there, everybody. Today we're going to, if you need a little extra practice, well, we're going to look at the examples on your book on page 164. Now let's start with example 1. Example 1 uses fraction strips. Now I have here fraction strips for 1/2, for 1/4, and 1/8. Of course, they're eighths, they're fourths, and they're halves. But if you count them, this is 2/2. This is 4/4, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eighths. Okay. Now, if I want to find two fractions that are equivalent to 1/2, I can use fraction strips to shade equal parts. So if I want to find two equivalent fractions to 1/2, I'm going to shade 1/2. Okay. After I shade 1/2, I'm going to look under my other strips, and I'm going to shade the same amount that will help me to find equivalent fractions in fourths and in eighths. Okay. So if I shaded from here to here in the half strips, I'm going to shade from here to here in the fourth strips. Okay. Now when I shade, I'm going to ask myself, how many parts did I shade? How many fourths? 1, 2/4. So this I shaded 1/2, right? And in here I shaded 2/4. Okay. So there I find one fraction that is equivalent to 1/2. Okay. Now I'm going to use my next strip, and I'm going to shade the same amount that would be the same size as 1/2. So if I shaded from here to here in 1/2, I'm going to shade from here to here in the 8 strips. So when I shade, or after I shade, I'm going to count how many pieces of the 8s did I shade. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 eighths. Now 4 eighths is equivalent also to 1/2. So they are both equivalent to 1/2. We can also say that they're equivalent to each other. These all are the same size, so they are equivalent to each other, but it answers our question or our request, which is finding fractions that are equivalent to 1/2. Awesome.